Insta360 just sent over its brand new X5 camera, and I am so excited to use this camera to take my videos to the next level. They also sent over a bunch of accessories that I can't wait to use. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing all of this. Let's start with the camera. Okay, here we go. I should really get one of those unboxing knives to do this. Okay, here we go. Whoa, look at the camera. It looks very similar to last year's model, but there are so many key improvements here that I just cannot wait to test out. Now this lens is supposed to be super strong. I've seen so many videos of people smashing it and it takes forever to even smash it. So it's really cool that they did some improvements here. Let's see what else is in this box. So I'm gonna pull this out here. And it looks like, okay, we have a really nice carrying pouch. Oh wow, this is actually really nice. It's very compact, very small. I'm really excited to use this. Inside, it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. And it comes with a really nice, looks like an Insta360 cleaning cloth. Let's see. It says Insta360 on it also. All right. Is that everything that's in this box? I think it is. So there's the Insta360 X5. Just look how clean it looks. Very nice. I'm gonna put this away now. And let's see what other accessories that we have here. Next thing we're gonna open up is the Insta360 invisible selfie stick. So this one I am going to use all the time because I do like to make a lot of vlog content, which you've probably seen from my travel vlogs, hopefully. If you haven't, make sure you're subscribing for those. But wow, okay. I don't know if it extends. I think this is actually truly just a selfie stick. So it looks like it attaches just on the bottom, like here, like through that. Pretty self-explanatory. You can use it as selfie stick mode now, just like that. It's gonna be fun to use. Cool. Okay, they sent over this massive extended edition selfie stick. And this is the one that I'm actually really excited to use because it is massive. Like, look how big this packaging is. So, oh, it comes in a nice carrying case here. As you can see, it comes in a very nice carrying case. I'm going to open this up a bit. Wow, this is massive. Apparently, this can go super far. Whoa. Okay. I don't know how far this actually goes. 300 centimeters. Okay, let me show you it this way. Like, do you see this, how crazy this is? It's super long, and this attaches to the stick. I'm about to be doing the most when I make this video, using this all out throughout New York. So make sure you're following for that. What else do we have here? Looks like the next one is the bullet time selfie stick. Now this is supposed to be really cool because apparently you can swing it around yourself and it's supposed to be used to create some really cool videos. Okay, so this is the bullet time stick and I think it's supposed to like flip or something. Let's see. Over here. I thought it was supposed to turn. How do I use this bullet stick? Oh, I think I have to go like, oh, there we go. Okay, so it extends outwards like that. Okay, here we go. Now you're supposed to go like this, around your head. Like what? So, and it's supposed to take some really cool videos, but I think this also extends all the way out. So you're supposed to go like this with the extended stick. This one is gonna look wild in public. And the last thing that we have here is the lens cap. All right, this is the regular silicone case for the lens. And it just goes on like this. Now let's see if this actually fits into the case. I'm assuming it probably does. Let's see. Looks like there's a soft pad on here for camera stuff. Okay, let's see. And it fits pretty perfectly. So this is actually a really handy case. Insta360 branding on the side. And that's it. That was my quick unboxing of the Insta360 X5 action cam. I cannot wait to use this camera. I'm gonna be using it all the time, especially when I go traveling and when I'm walking around New York City. So I think this is gonna bring a new dimension to my videos, and I can't wait to start showing you content, so make sure you're following for all the latest.